I am most fearful of the time that it takes with me being a natural, but I know here with Evalyn, it'll be just right. Hi, I am Zaria, and today I will be getting boho braids. I want boho braids because I just wanted to try something different and switch it up. I'm so excited for this look because it's just giving me something different, creative, and very expressive through natural hair. For this inspiration, I idolize Zoe Kravitz, who wear these braids and rock them so well. Growing up, I really wanted my hair to be straight because all the girls around me, everyone had relaxed hair or just like super straight hair, and I wasn't able to do that because I was not allowed. So I had no choice but to embrace myself. But throughout this life of journey, I've learned to love my natural hair.
I'm Evalyn Dennis. I specialize in braids. My specialty is knotless braids. I'm most known for goddess braids. You can see my work with Sunday Service. I would say hairstyles give women a little bit more confidence. Something about trying something new, switching it up. It just brings a little bit more oomph to your personality for sure. Today, I'm gonna be doing some boho braids on Zaria. Hi, how you doing today?
I am doing great, how are you?
Good. So tell me about your hair.
So I am a natural hair girl.
Okay. So what kind of braids would you want today?
I am looking to get boho braids.
Okay. Do you know how long?
I'm thinking waist length.
All right.
I think that'll be good.
Okay, great. We could get that done. First, I'm going to do a center part down the middle. Then I'm going to part her hair from ear to ear and section them off. I'm gonna go to the nape and make subsection parts to create each braid. Now I'm going to add product to the scalp and comb it through. I'm going to feed in 3 pieces of braiding hair. And as I braid down, I'm going to feed in human hair. In the course of my career, I've seen natural hair change. I would say a lot of women love braids now. We really did our due diligence in actually learning knotless and actually knowing how to apply enough tension to the hair so it holds, but not too much so that it rips out your edges. Typically, it takes 12 hours for boho braids. We used some edge control to create these amazing waves. I took a spray bottle and I sprayed all of her hair. After that, I moussed her hair to make the human hair pop a little bit. Then I will dip her hair with the hot water. I'm going to take a towel and dry her hair. I take the towel and kind of fan her hair out to see if there's enough body, to see if I need to dip it again or not. And now, after many hours, it's time for the reveal. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
All right, open your eyes.
Oh my God. These are amazing, Evalyn.
Yay.
Wow. The color, they're so weightless. Like, I can't believe you did this. Like,
Yes.
It's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. I love my hair. I feel so fabulous, so renewed and restored. My hair feels so lightweight. It's so easy breezy going. It feels like I have nothing on my head. It really just feels like I'm new. I'm a new person. Like, I love it. This look definitely makes me feel like Zoe Kravitz. She rocks this look so well, and it just turned out really amazing. It really defines how natural hair can be so flexible and just so interchangeable, and honestly, like, creating your vibe while being in natural hair.
Natural hair to me means it's a part of your personality. It's just, you can be a fro girl, you could be a braid girl, you could be a crochet girl. It's just all about a feeling.
If I could tell my younger self anything about natural hair, is definitely be expressive. within yourself and your natural hair and just rocking it and like really embracing who you are through it. I'll probably keep this look for at least 6 to 8 weeks. I'm definitely going to oil it and then also spray leave-in conditioner with water.
If you maintain your boho braids, they'll definitely last you 2 months.
For once, me being the client and not being the stylist, it honestly felt amazing to relax and just understand that stylists really need self-care as well. I love just embracing the natural beauty and able to team up with other Black women to create amazing things.